Hey, what's up guys? Based off the beginning of the video, you probably thought the VQ started, but that is not the case. I've spent a couple days out here troubleshooting, and I've come to the conclusion that the ignition wire is not doing what it's supposed to. The ignition wire is supposed to power the relay box, and the relay box is supposed to power the ECU, and that's not happening. I've already spoken with Hexa. I'm sending it back out Monday. They're going to look it over, make it plug and play, put it on their test car at the facility, and make sure it works before they send it back to me. I really don't think it's anything with their wiring. I think that UPS was really aggressive with my box based off of the condition I got it in, and that is more than likely what caused this issue. There's only 4 wires. There's a 12-volt constant, a starter wire, an ignition wire, and a fuel pump wire, and then there's 4 grounds. So you can't really mess that up. So after a few days of trying different things, trying to clean up my connections, clean up my grounds, it's obvious that I don't have anything hooked up incorrectly and that something isn't functioning properly on the harness. So like I said, I don't think this really has anything to do with Hexa Motorsports, more or less UPS and the way they treat their packages. The box was bad, and it was my first thought when I got the box was, let's see what condition the wire harness is in, because it's not good. So yeah, I'm gonna send that back to them. They're gonna get it right, and then yeah, everything's gonna be good. So I'm not worried about it. It just gives me more time to get the rest of the car tied up, and you know what I mean? It gives you guys more stuff to watch, and you know what I mean? It gives me more anticipation. It gives you more anticipation for the day I finally turn the key and the VQ starts. So I'm not sweating it. It's really just fine. So yeah, enjoy today's video. Alright, so my camera died, but I got a little bit charged now. So I got the valve covers all sealed on, as you guys saw. I got the coolant pipe all put on, and now I'm about to put on the knock sensor as a part of the lower intake manifold. I'm gonna get that on, and then we'll be good there. Alright, what's up guys? So I just got back from the hockey rink. We played, we won, I scored a goal. It's fun to get my legs back under me. I met this dude at the rink and I gave him my fiberglass fenders and I got this perfect OEM driver's side. Look at that paint job, look at all that flake. How much flake do you want? All the flake, give me all the flake. Yeah, that's unfortunate, somebody put a lot of work into this. But I'm gonna hit it with that 500 wet sand, prep it, and paint it black. So, yep, I got this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. He gave me the busted, he gave me a busted corner light, so maybe I can put them up on my wall or something. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it's fun. It's cool to have around. But yeah, I'm gonna put the fender on and then see how that looks. Catch up to you guys in a second. So, as you guys already know, we did not get it to start. I'm not going to re-explain that. We already know why. So, that's going to get sent back to California. That's going to get fixed. It's going to get turned into plug and play. And they're going to test it on their shop car before they send it back. So, in the meantime, gives me time to finish up buttoning up my coolant system. It gives me time to flush the transmission, get new fluid in there. I can seal the differential, get new fluid in there. And then I can wrap up some of the other loose odds and ends in the meantime. I have a lot of little projects on this car that need to get taken care of, from the front grille to the rear grille to the interior lights or the radio and all the other things I'm going to be doing to the car. So I've got plenty to work on. So I'm not too worried about that. And it just gives us more time to anticipate the first start. So thanks for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.